Alright guys, so this is my Kyosho Blizzard SR up close. So as you can see, I'll just turn it on here. For a size reference, this is my hand. So just get her up to top speed real quick. I'll just give you another look over here. Maybe, alright. So I'll show you the controls. So both forward is forward. Obviously, reverse is a little more finicky, but double tap and backwards and it'll bring it back. If you want to do a quick turn, you just, for right turn, you push the left lever forward, and then other one back. Left turns is left forward, well, right forward, left back. Sorry about that. And blade is just right joystick up and down. A few notes is that, well, obviously it's on a lower battery, but just take a look over here. I got a headlamp on it and a light bar. Those are custom pieces I put on. And just to show you, pop the hood off, the body shell. Running a 3800 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery in there. There's the inner workings. It's got 2 motors. It's the most recent version of the Blizzard. And this is just the servo that works the blade up and down. So, pop the body back on. Give you one more look around it. So, look at the other side. There you go. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.